Welcome back to Levi's Corner. Today we're going to read a Paw Patrol book called Rainforest, starring Tracker. Tracker loves the rainforest. He swings through the trees. He rides in his cruiser, beep beep. He invites his friends to come and explore. Now they love the rainforest too, just like Tracker. The end. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more read-alouds.